Yes!
Shut up. Alright, whatever. Anyways, welcome back to another video. You already know. Today we're gonna showcase the new... What the fuck is this thing called? Hold on, I gotta figure out what this thing's called. Firework Subjutsu. They're gonna get copyrighted for that. Sub ability, what do they call it? Subjutsu. Whatever. If they get copyrighted, don't look at me for it. Anyways, let's get right into the video.
We pray for better days.
So you're telling me you're still watching the video and you have not liked and subscribed yet? Bro, stop watching then. Like, subscribe, fuck out of here. Move. And you can continue watching the video. Alright, so Dawn Fate.
Dawn? Top of a rock and Dawn?
Alright, so Dawn Fate, right? Two rights.
How many people are saying General Dawn?
On top of a rock.
Is that the General?
Found it! Oh shoot, it's right here! Alright, so it's literally to the Dawn Fate, two rights.
Dawn Fate, two rights.
Dawn Fate, two right, yeah.
There. I'm going back to the...
I'm gonna go for this now. Huh? I got both. How is Tengoku? How is Tengoku?
Why you have my queen?
Boom. It's the block breaks. Yeah, I forgot about that. You can aim with this thing.
Aim?
Yeah, you can aim. Like you can do it from afar. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah. That's maybe pretty good.
Block break real quick. Block real quick.
Oh, by the way, this is a mode block.
Boom.
This is a mode block, so it's even harder to break.
Yeah, just instant block breaks, bro.
Even
This look, yo, if someone's blocking in competitive, boom, you thought. Then yeet combos, boom, boom.